I'm good. Let's go.
So, boss, first question: the importance of this one day connect concept when you say Hero put together. Why do you think it is very important that Hero has come up with this initiative?
Okay, the importance of this one day connect is more like brothers connecting. When we say brothers, we're not talking about brothers. We're talking about friends, families, photos.
Sorry, sir.
I have a low voice. Okay. The importance of this concept of one day connect, we're talking about where brothers connect. When we say brothers, we're not talking about blood. Friends, families, especially where we're from, the eastern part of Nigeria, as Deep was coming together, and shout out to you for bringing this another concept, because there's the one that just finished, which was Iwa Boy. The Iwa Boy concept was good, which is something I grew up with in our family, whereby somebody to go and serve one uncle, and one uncle's friend, after 4 or 5 years, they said to the person becomes somebody. This is without education. So the concept of one day connect is more like there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on, especially in my industry, which is music, entertainment as general. One day connect is more like, while we meet here, we're going to see upcoming artists, communicate with them, connect with them. We are there in Lagos. They might not understand what is going on, especially in the music entertainment industry. So when we meet here, we connect, we discuss, we share ideas with them, and let them know how to improve on their own part when it comes to entertainment. And I don't want this thing to end here in Onitsha. Please, this should be taking place. It should be a road top from Onitsha. We go to Abani. That's how it's supposed to be. Bring down 1 month for this kind of concept. We are down. As long as we are using the Igbo artists, because that's the concept behind it. You can't bring another tribe and say one day connect. We don't understand it, but we Igbos will understand it. It's the concept behind it. We hope it goes along.
Alright, now let's talk about human relationship and the fact that so long as human beings interact, there will be conflict. But the very essence of brotherhood is not looking at your brother and saying, just they go. No matter how the thing take big, we go still come together and we go settle. Let's talk about the importance of conflict resolution as brothers.
The conflict resolution, okay, like, I don't want to sound political, but there's a lot happening in the East, which has to do with anger, grievances. Okay? Sometimes nobody say quarrel is not bad, but sometimes it gives you space to kind of. So when you come back, you cannot tell yourself the truth and say, I was wrong here, I was right. I can use myself as an example. You guys know the story between me and my two brothers. Maybe there's no story behind, but there's conflict. So today we're back and we're stronger. We're living an example of one day connect. You guys understand what I mean? So I always tell people, you cannot use violence to correct stuff. Sometimes dialogue does not do anything. Sometimes, yeah, go, think, then come back. And I'm using this opportunity. Like I said, I don't want to sound political, but I want to use this opportunity. This is not only about concert, okay? Those of us that are angry, that are hungry, that don't like what is happening in the country, we have an opportunity. The election is coming close. Okay? They must say they don't need you, but now they need you. Vote with your conscience. Look at whatever that's happened for the past 4 years until now and tell yourself the truth. You know what we need. Do not say your vote. This part of one day connect. Right? So our love, let's connect. Let's tell each other the truth. What we're going through. How do we solve it? Okay? Please guys, get your PVC. That's my special. This for me, for this one day connect, is my message. let's vote the right person.
Interesting. Now, finally, the Igbo man is very unique. To you, what is that X factor that makes the Igbo man stand out anywhere in the world, anywhere he finds himself? What is that X factor?
One good thing about Igbo men, we are not lazy. Anywhere we go to, we connect. It's only you go to China, you see Igbo Boys Association, Igbo People Association. You go to China, you see Igbo People Association. You go to England, Igbo People Association. And guess what? These Igbos, wherever they are, they still help each other. When something is going wrong with somebody, they still come together to help. And when they find out something's not good in their own country, they still try and bring a product out there. Igbo people are hustlers, they're not lazy. And that's how we can survive anywhere. Put us in the north to survive, west we survive, anywhere. Go to Lagos, you hear more of Igbo boys. Now we go to Ireland for the north. You know? So Igbo boys, the spirit of Igbo boy, as an Igbo people, is that we so much love ourselves that we help each other. You know? An Igbo person is somebody that cannot sit and watch his brother or sister suffering. That's Igbo for me. Because they believe that if he's going back from my sister or my brother, it's a shameful thing. So they try their best. And I'm not talking about giving money. They bring you in. Alright? So that spirit is always there, it's guiding us. That's why, no matter where we go to, you hardly see Igbo person on the street begging. You know why? And we beat streets.
Confirm. Now, final question. Let's talk about Hero and the various initiatives. You mentioned the Igba Boy concept, and now we have this One Day Connect. You know, I would like you to just say something about Hero as a brand and how, you know, the target is improving people and contributing to, you know, the development of the individual.
Hero brought us so many initiatives. The Igbo Boy concept, which we just finished like 3-4 months ago. And the Igbo Boy concept was more like a reminder to tell you that yes, nobody sees education is not important. So that means if you don't have money, you can't go. You're useless in life. That's not what we're saying. Hero is telling you that go back to the history. Our uncles, our elderly people, what they did. Let's put it this way. If I want to put like Igbo Boy now, this is what we're doing now. Bringing an artist. I'm not even talking about signing an artist. Bring an artist to walk around you. It can be your PA. It can be a studio rat. That person can continue with you in year 2, 3. The person learns from you. But what do? You sign the person. Because now the person has sat down with you, listen to you, travel with you, understand I can do this. Then you cannot invest in the person, and that's okay. You cannot go on your own. So the initiative of Igbo Boy was a good concept, which has to do with trade. You don't need to go to school. Just make sure, and there is where loyalty is being tested. Because you have to be loyal. But the only problem about Igbo Boy is there was the trust. If you are somebody that loves stealing, you will never succeed. Your boss needs to look at you and look at his business and say, my son, you've done well, or yeah, you can have yours. That's the concept, okay? So now, today now we're doing One Day Connect. I pray for Hero to create more initiatives like this. You know, I don't know who's giving them these ideas, but they should bring it home. They should do some things for the widows. You know, I wish this can be done for the widows. You know, maybe create something like build a market space strictly for widows. Imagine, I tell them to not pay. It's small. I know heroes are going to do it. You know why? Because they represent our call of the East. the rising sun. That's really done.
Confirm.
Europe for life.
Thank you very much, boss.
Sound is rolling, camera is rolling.
Yeah, so we're getting to
Yes.
So ladies and gentlemen, you please, Oga Boss, certified one for very proud of his background, his culture, and you know they hide down. So boss, let's talk about what Hero is doing with the One Neck Connect concept and how it is important for brothers to stay connected, irrespective of the challenges that they may encounter or their differences. The significance of One Neck connecting.
This is my camera, right?
Yes.
The One Neck Connect initiative could only be pulled off by Yoruba. So we're all about connectivity. We're all about staying in touch with yours, One Neck. So we decided we needed to have this party, irrespective of any challenges or any barriers that are going on right now, or that would deter us from gathering together. So we decided to have the biggest gathering of brothers, which is why we're here at this beautiful stadium tonight. And picture a room with psquare, Peter and Paul, myself, Slow Dog, Raw, One Neck, Harrison, the list is endless, and then of course overseen and supervised by Sofia, our able father, so all of us gathering here in Onitsha is something very iconic, and it's something that we plan to keep doing because we are very interested in building that connectivity within, brothers from the southeast.
Very true. Now you have mentioned the importance of, staying connected, but we cannot look away from the fact that there will always be challenges, and these challenges will create issues. Now I would like you, from your experience over the years, to share, what people should look out for at those difficult moments that would make them still always say brotherhood is brotherhood. No matter how difficult it gets, we're going to lock ourselves in this room and we must settle no matter how the thing take me.
So as human beings, we all have different perspectives, different opinions, and we're all walking different paths. Our destiny is to reach but a couple of things tie us together. Culture has become such a massive glue, that irrespective of our differences, irrespective of the ideologies that we believe in, we always say, and then we get together and there are those things that we celebrate. And we celebrate our dress code, we celebrate the music, we celebrate the food, we celebrate the culture and the tradition. So all these things now time together. And whenever we're together, we forget all of our other differences and just enjoy that very moment when we're together.
So I would like you to share your experience about how this initiative now has been of benefit to you. Like, for example, the importance that this person is my brother. I will not forget my brother, no matter how far I go away from home, or how the connection might not be very, very strong, but brother and brother. If there are personal experiences, I would like you to share also.
So when we started this personal experiences, so when we broke this campaign, I started getting a lot of feedback from Nigerians that live in the diaspora. And a lot of Nigerians in the diaspora are trying to also stay in touch with the culture, and I have them in hundreds. Like, people are writing you emails, writing you Instagram messages from the United States, from Australia, Canada, England, South Africa, everywhere, and the feedback was, this is that one way that we can all, despite the fact that you guys are celebrities, we can all get together and celebrate this beautiful culture of ours. So the fan interaction has been crazy ever since we broke the campaign. All guys in Okwabogi from Istanbul, sitting down Okwachike, Istanbul, or Che, Turkey. You know how my good brothers are now. They're calling you and they're trying to touch base with you, touch base with the culture, and also, of course, touch base with this particular concert. So this is a global movement. This is not just a movement for Africa or for Nigeria. So Igbo boys from all over the world are all kidding, watching. They've been part of this. Even as the promo, we're building up the promo, they've been part of it. So it just makes you reconnect with a lot of people that you don't even know, but a lot of them are living in other sides of the world, and they can see that this is big for us.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, boss.
Yes.
Thank you, boss.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes. The living legend. Yeah, let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you hear the name Raw, now 3P they come to mind. Number 1, pioneer. Number 2, pace setter. Number 3, Papa. Raw one neck.
Yes, sir.
Raw one neck.
Yes, sir.
Raw one neck. Consistency over 2 decades.
Well,
living legend. Igbo Elumadu, we are proud of you. God bless you, Papa. Baba, now you know, now you dey bring out my talent now. Someone could just go straight now. The initiative now one when we say if they celebrate brotherhood. I go like make you as somebody when we say don't pay for inside this business. Use your mouth, emphasize on the importance of brothers staying together, no matter how the thing take happen.
Yeah, we are all one family, one big family, and there's need for brothers to be at peace with each other for the growth of that family. So this one they connect, that make brothers come and connect with your brothers, because if you call me your brother, you don't go wish me bad, you don't go think bad thing for me, you understand? If you see better way, you go show me. So that's the reason why we're doing this one they connect, make people come together and make everybody dey grow as one big family.
I go like make you talk on the importance of brotherhood. Unto say you no get name, you no get title, because some people go talk say I be Enugu, you be Abia, you be Imo, you be Anambra, you be Ebonyi. We go talk on the importance of brotherhood without any barrier, without any title. What if those things when we say people suppose they think if they think about their brother?
I think the way they take results, and that results to come they draw lines, you know, in a God division. But the importance of brotherhood for this our lives, we will live. Now they say you don't go see somebody as another person, you don't go draw line. You go to ask, because I see some people when something come out, they want to know where you from. You don't need to know where I'm from before you go assist me. You don't know where that person is from before you go assist them. So I think there's this need for people to understand that everybody in a one, no draw line. So if you want help person, help them like say they do them for your own person, for yourself. Because tomorrow now the person if you're in the position to help you too or your child.
I know say you don't be ready to go stage.
I don't
but we'll just quick 30 seconds. This thing when Hero they do now, how important this particular idea?
We're going on stage next to me. Sorry.
Yes, how important this idea when Hero carry come now about brotherhood and brothers staying together? How important it is in 30 seconds?
It is important too, because if not be this is what they do, I'm not going to sit down for the same tent with Ill Bliss, Slow Dog, you know, psquare, Zoro. That's to tell you, say now, all of us are connected because of this event. We are under one roof. And at the same way, we will go outside, connect with the crowd, and everybody will connect with everybody and relate as brothers.
Thank you very much. Ron One, the living legend, he deserves a round of applause. See legend. God bless you, boss. God bless you. Thank you very much. I'm not going to.
I don't know applause for Potarego.